Who drank all my Kool-Aid Jammers? Can never keep enough Kool-Aid Jammers in the house. They always go by so quick. You buy a box, you buy 2 boxes, next thing you know, they're gone. Anyway, I picked up this Funkoverse game expansion. I have no idea what this is, but I do know Pop Funko. I do know Kool-Aid Man. So this is one of the reasons why I picked it up. You can't go wrong with a Kool-Aid Man figure. Just busting through your walls, saying, oh yeah, spilling juice all over the carpet, staining it, doing what he does. But check it out. Pretty cool figure. I had to add this to my collection. Like I said, I have no idea about this game. If you guys do, if you play it, let me know in the comments. But this is pretty cool. Comes with some tokens, game pieces, I don't know. Comes with a stand, figure stand. You can always use a figure stand. Comes with Kool-Aid crystal meth. I have no idea what that is. Refresh your game with Kool-Aid Man. Combine Kool-Aid Man with your Funkoverse strategy games. Bust through walls and splash other characters with fresh new abilities. This is an exclusive Funkoverse Pop game figure. I assume number 100. We got some debris, vegetation on the packaging. Comes with one character base, 1 character card, 1 exhausted marker, 3 tokens, 2 ability tokens, 5 points, and instructions. New character, new abilities, no sugar added. Check it out, guys. Kool-Aid Man Funko Pop. It even has a stand. I'll be using that. But yeah, I had to add this to my collection. He's even got the chill ice cubes going on. He's got the handle. Looks so happy. Just like me. Happy for this in my collection. So yeah, if you guys want to pick this up, find it at your local Target store. Thanks for watching, guys. I gotta go inside and drink some more Kool-Aid Jammers. But check it out. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you smash that like button. Leave a comment. Tell me how to play this game. Is it a game? I have no idea. I just wanted the figure. That's all I wanted. Okay? That's it. I gotta go. See you tomorrow.